Moose and kangaroos, the heavyweight champions of hopping. One's from the chilly north, the other's from the sunny down under. Moose are like the gentle giants of the forest, while kangaroos are the bouncers of the outback. Imagine a moose trying to hop. It's like watching a lumbering ballet. Kangaroos, on the other hand, are all about that springy finesse. Both are masters of their terrain, but only one can do a backflip. So who wins? The moose with its majestic antlers or the kangaroo with its killer kicks? Either way, they both deserve a round of applause or a good laugh.